Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download TeXLive offline and install on Windows PC. Step by step. In step 1, open your browser. Scroll down and under ways to acquire TeXLive, click on ISO image. On this page, click on download from a nearby CTAN mirror. Select TeXLive 2025 ISO. When the download is complete, open the download folder. Right click the ISO file and choose mount or extract it using WinRAR or WinZip. Select open. Open the mounted folder and double click install TL Windows. Click on run. Click on install. The setup will copy all files to your computer. As you can see, all done. TeXLive is successfully installed on Windows. Click close. Since you have installed TeXLive on Windows, you are just a few steps away from running your first LaTeX document. Now I will show you how to open it and run a demo. TeXLive itself doesn't have a single main page. It installs the LaTeX engine and a few helper tools such as TeXworks. Now I will show you how to open it and run a demo. To open TeXworks, click on Start and type TeXworks. Open TeXworks editor. To create a demo LaTeX file, click on File, and then select New. Save the file as demo. In TeXworks, make sure the green drop down at the top is PDF LaTeX. Click the green play button or press Ctrl T and wait a few seconds. A PDF window should appear showing your text. If this video helped, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.